All right, here we go. Hi, Cinnamon Bun. Hi. You didn't pee on your face, did you? You peed on your face. I'm not gonna pet you. Thank you, but no thank you. Hi.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Why?
Because when you fall and crack your head, Daddy's gonna go, oh no. You get in?
Oh.
One at a time, friends. Those are such dummies.
You got it.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Hey, why is your head out, ma'am? Put your head back, Miss Betty. Put one back, Betty. Betty. Beep, beep. No, Betty, you're not coming out this way.
So,
I drive next.
yeah. So if I get the goats from over here,
Yeah.
so now we walk them and they're safe in there?
Yeah.
Okay, you go walk them. I'm gonna go drive and put water in a bucket somewhere.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah. I would prefer to do it together.
Okay, then let's go put
'Cause-
water in the bucket now so I know.
Yeah.
Where do we go, CJ?
I see it over there. It's
Yeah.
on the other side. So you have to go through the field on the other
No,
side.
you don't go through it. You go on the road.
There's a road?
Yeah. It's like not really a road, but it's like a trail. Sort of like I don't remember what it is, but it might just be tire marks.
Okay.
Go.
Come on, goats.
We're going now.
Go on. Everybody go. Go on. Go. Here they come.
It says 4.
4 for that area. We got a half bucket for the old ladies.
Half bucket. Ready? Stop.
That's not half. Hang on it. Okay. Then,
That's the half.
yep. Now we need 3 more full buckets.
3 what?
Full buckets.
For who?
The next one gets 2 and then the last one gets 1.